Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone, it's super annoying when your PS5 decides to randomly eject discs or just won't accept them. You're trying to play and your console is acting up. In this quick guide, updated for 2025, we'll walk through several practical solutions. We'll start with the simplest fixes and move to more advanced troubleshooting. Let's get your gaming back on track. Before diving deep, let's start with some quick, essential checks. Begin by completely power cycling your PlayStation 5. Just unplug it from the wall for about a minute, then plug it back in. Also, take a close look at the disc slot itself. Sometimes, tiny bits of dust or debris can interfere with the mechanism. Lastly, make sure your console is sitting upright or flat, allowing for proper ventilation and stability. Sometimes, the issue isn't physical at all, but software-related. First and foremost, verify that your PS5 system software is completely up to date. Sony frequently releases updates that can fix various bugs and improve stability. You should also check if the particular game causing trouble has any available updates. Finally, rebuilding the console's database via safe mode can often clear up corrupted data and fix unusual behaviors. If simpler steps haven't worked, we have a few more advanced options. You can boot your PS5 into safe mode and select Rebuild Database, which often resolves deep software issues. For those comfortable, a gentle cleaning of the disk drive's rollers with compressed air can sometimes clear stubborn debris. As a final, more drastic step, consider backing up your game saves and performing a full factory reset. This will wipe everything, but often fixes persistent problems. So you've tried all these troubleshooting steps, and your PS5 is still ejecting discs. This might suggest a more serious hardware issue with the drive itself. At this stage, your best course of action is to reach out directly to PlayStation support. They can provide specific diagnostics or guide you through the repair process. Always remember to check your console's warranty. If it's still active, your repair might be covered, saving you some money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.